short video will explain how to install and get up and running with the integrations that Bim Track offers inside of the different CAD software available. The first thing we need to do is log into the Bim Track Hub as a user that has relevant permissions. Once we're logged into Bim Track, choose the hub that you would like to access. For this particular process, it doesn't actually matter which hub that you log into. From the general menu on the left-hand side, we choose Integration. And from the Integration section, we go ahead and say View Integrations. If we scroll down a little bit, you'll notice all of the different integrations available from Autodesk, Solibri, Verity, Procore, and more. For this example today, we will choose to download the Autodesk Add-Ins, which is one single download for everything from the flavors of AutoCAD through to Navisworks and Revit. I'm just going to choose to save that on my desktop to make it nice and easy to find. It's a very small download, so once it's finished, we can start the installation process. It's worth noting that this installation process does not need administrator rights, and it's very easy to follow the process through by clicking Next, accepting the license agreement, choosing how you would like to install the product. Any additional options, such as the ability to produce PDFs directly from Bim Track, I'm not going to install that for the purpose of this. And then finally, choose to install. This process will just take a few seconds. Once the installation is finished, we can press Finish. That add-in will now be available inside of the likes of AutoCAD, Revit, Navisworks, and more. So now if I open up my Revit 2020 installation, once this opens up, we will notice that we have the ability to access Bim Track directly from the CAD application. The same would be true of any of the other supported Autodesk products after this single point installation. You may be prompted on first launch of Revit after the installation whether or not you would like to load the Bim Track plugin. We choose to always load to make sure that Bim Track plugin is always available to us when we're launching Revit. If we jump into a project now, we'll just choose a new one for the purpose of this with a construction template. You'll notice at the top of the screen on our ribbon bar we have the Bim Track panel. If we go ahead and select the Bim Track tab, we have all of the Bim Track options up here and the panel on the right hand side of our screen.